Man, look at this weather. Looks fucking nice. Ooh, what's this? Is this for me? Jesus Christ, what a scooter. What's up guys, gdwarrior here. And I'm taking a ride today. Look at this. Ride it like you stole it. That's exactly my riding style. That person who gave this belt to me, he knew exactly how I ride. So I have a little issue with the bike. I mean, not really, you know. I got a metallic noise coming somewhere underneath the tank. Can't locate it. Some people, you know, in the group say that it's pinging. I think it's just some vibrating noise that I hear somewhere underneath the tank. So I zip tied just now everything and made sure there is nothing that can touch, you know, any metal parts or anything. I found this belt today right here, hanging right by the oil filter, and you know, I don't think it's the reason, but you never know. I'm definitely gonna keep him with me, so it protects me from all these fucking snowbirds out there that like to wreck bikes. But let's see. Let's get this bitch going. Oh, that was tight. So I fixed my decompression solenoid yesterday. Let's see if it's still fixed. No, engine light is back on. It's just the wire that is hanging that is I guess corroded or so. Come on, man, no texting and driving here. Oh my god, it's fucking beautiful. So the microphone sits right under my chin. That's why you probably can hear me breathing and talking to myself probably and shit like that. But it picks up all the engine noise that is underneath the tank. So when I was going through my videos, I noticed that sound. And then also in person, you know, when I ride the bike with my face shield on, you know, I can hear that noise. So I zip tied everything under the tank, and now, I mean, I don't hear anything unless my microphone is going to pick it up. But usually, like right around, let's see, like right around 3000 RPMs, when the vibrations are the biggest one, or the strongest I should say, that's when I usually will hear that metallic noise. But right now, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, we got, you guys see that? There was a little cop rider. I gave him the sign and he waved me back. Anyways, I don't hear anything. I think it's fucking fixed. Wait, let's try again. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I think I fucking fixed it, man. I'm fucking excited. I've been riding like that for God knows how long. Probably like fucking, I don't know, over a year. Hey, but hey, funny thing, the fucking bell is off. Maybe it was the fucking bell. Ooh, too funny. Who do we got there? What's going on, man? How you doing? Yay! Oh man, I'm excited. I don't know why. Fuck, it's the little things in life, man. I tell you guys, the small things in life will make you the fucking happiest person in the world. Well, let's heat up the engine. Let's see if the noise will come back, because some people experience pinging only when the engine is heated up. What do we got there? A little metric bike, a rice cooker. Mine is a rice cooker deluxe. How you doing? Got a Vista? No, that's a Vulcan, right? Nice. I love these bikes. How many miles do you have on that? No, it's a Yamaha Warrior. Roadstar Warrior. What? Really? Nice. Cool. See ya. Nice people, huh? Besides the snowbirds, they are demons. The fucking snowbirds. No turning signals, no side mirrors. That shit comes for free with the bike. You know? Just fucking use it. It comes with it. I mean, not with the bike, with the car. Fucking turning signals are free. I don't know. So, one little story on the side. Like, I was born and raised in Germany, right? And when you want to do your driver's license over there, it's gonna cost you between fucking 1,200, 1,500, depends where you live. And you gotta take classes for, I don't remember, it was 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, something like that. The longest time. And they teach you how to ride at night, or like at, you know, evening time, highway, in the city. That's how it was with me. You know, and everything with a manual transmission. You gotta do the shoulder look, boom, like that. One more time, boom, like that. And it's called in Germany, the shoulder look, we call it Schulterblick. And oh yeah, no fucking metal noise, man. Nothing. It's fixed. It's fixed. So it's not pinging. I don't fucking ping. My bike doesn't ping. It's a fucking tank. No pinging. Ping free zone. You know, the bell is in my pocket. Oh yeah. So next step will be to fix that fucking decompression solenoid cable. Nothing happens, I guess, when you ride with it broken. Only your check engine light will come on, but as long as the battery is freaking charged, you can still start and run the bike. I've been doing it for like fucking a month now. So I guess that's no big deal. However, sometimes when it starts working again, like randomly, the check engine light would turn off. I don't know if it's me or not, but it almost feels like the bike is running a little better. Just a tiny bit. Alright, we're gonna keep that round short. Let's chase that Porsche. Snowbirds. Freaking snowbirds, man. My bell is on me. Please protect me from the New Jersey snowbirds. And he's a physician. Oh my god, that's even worse. Snowbirds and the physician. No disrespect to physicians. Especially the ones that drive a fucking Porsche Turbo with 5,000 horsepower. Right? Right. Bagels? You guys want some bagels? Fuck bagels. I need bacon, not bagels.